So I have a Lacie hard drive here, 500 gigs, been sitting around for a long time. You could tell by the firewire ports. Has this USB that used to go in and out and store in there. It hasn't been working in many years and I just left it sitting around. So anyway, today I'm going to open it up and see if we can get it to work. Nice. Connection. You can see, I don't know if you could see this USB is frayed a little bit there. Not sure how clear that is. Anyways, let's see if we can get the hard drive out and get it to work. I'll take these guys out right here. Just take it off of this here. Should slide right off. Boom. There we go. Seagate 500. So I'm going to take this with my cable that I've gotten to USB. This guy here. Pop this in. Alright, the other way. No, that's right. Boom. Alright, let's try this. See if it comes up on the desktop. Yes. There it is. Right there. Nice. Works.